Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the command palette and selecting Configure User Snippets. This creates or opens a Code Snippets JSON file. Once done, pick a language, scope, or global file because scope controls when the snippet appears. Make sure to add a top-level snippet name, then add a prefix and a body. The body is a JSON string or array. You'll edit it next. Don't pause on setup. Start typing the snippet structure now and save as valid JSON so Vscode can read it immediately. Continue by composing the snippet body with deliberate tab stops and placeholders so you control cursor flow when expanded. For multiple lines, use a JSON array where each element is a line. For single-line snippets, a single string suffices. Use $1, $2 for tab stops and $1, default for default text, and include choices or shell variables for dynamic content. Make sure to escape backslashes and quotes. Once constructed, save and validate the JSON. This ensures predictable behavior when you trigger the snippet. The final step is to test the snippet. Type its prefix in the matching language and press tab to expand. You'll see tab stops and placeholders in order. Make adjustments to body lines, defaults, or choice fields as needed and save. If changes don't appear immediately, reload the window. One key troubleshooting tip. If the snippet fails, inspect the JSON for a missing comma, incorrect escaping of quotes or backslashes, or an incorrect scope. Fix those, save, and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.